What's up, guys? We're here at Corinth Campground, and while we've got most of our trash picked up, we'll show you site number 8. Give her a Max. And so number 8 kind of is a little more secluded. It's got trees here around it, where some of the other sites are just kind of wide open. So if you got kids, this was a good site because the kids were less likely to just wander off into the street. Max, with me. And so you got plenty of room for a pop-up. We had friends that camped here beside us. And then Max, he hunted squirrels all weekend, looking over this bottom. So you got plenty of firewood here, and your hookups are nice and close. You got water, power, and sewer drain. And you got plenty of room on the back side of the camper here. Nice little fire pit with grill grates. And these little green poles, which I don't know what they're for yet.
Maybe trash is what we think.
Yeah, maybe hanging trash up high, or I guess maybe they got them close to trees, maybe for a hammock. Pad's good and level. Long pad. We was able to park our pop-up and 2 trucks. So, and it's nice and shaded. It's probably what, 12 o'clock?
11.
So it's 11, and it's almost fully shaded, and probably will be all day, especially during the summer when these trees leave out. So, nice campsite.